Good morning, dear students. Your teacher Amna Shoaib is here with a new lesson. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your video lectures. Today we are going to start our unit number 2, which is Rafe's house. Do you remember who is Rafe? Yes, the birthday boy living with his family in a beautiful house. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain a house, describe different rooms or areas of a house and different functions of each room. What is a house? It is a place where we live together with our family members. Our family includes mama, baba, brothers, sisters, and grandparents as well. Can you tell me the names of different areas of a house? There are many rooms or areas in a house like drawing room, TV lounge, bedroom, kitchen, etc. When visitors visit our house, they usually sit in drawing room. It is also called a reception room, a room where we have our beds and we sleep there. That is called our bedroom, and we all love our bedrooms. TV lounge, where we sit with our family, watch TV, and spend our leisure time. Dining room is a place where we have our lunch, dinner, or breakfast. And the most important, kitchen, where mama cooks tasty food for all of us. And in the end, it is the time for home task. You have to write the names of different places of a house and send it to me on my email ID, which is amna@chandbaghtg.edu.pk. Thank you.